How do I not get that?
God, please, no!
Hey, Jack, have you seen my phone? Jack? Dude! Stop! Let's go, we're getting you a girlfriend.
Okay.
Alright, so the first thing is making yourself presentable to women. Now, first thing, if you were to be walking on the street and you'd want somebody to notice you, what would you be wearing? Okay, so a big thing is how you hold yourself, how you carry yourself. You know, before you even say anything to a girl, she's got to see you first. She's got to feel the attraction. So you got to learn how to walk with confidence. So just walk from here to there and show me how you strut.
Carry myself.
Carry yourself, yeah. How's that? The refrigerator thing makes more sense now. Okay, so the carrying yourself thing didn't work too well. We're gonna move on to talking to women. So in the other room, I've got Katie. You're gonna go in there and just talk.
About what?
Anything. Whatever comes to your mind. It could be absolutely anything. Just talk.
Okay.
Easy. Yeah, right? We can do it.
So, boobs. Harder.
Maybe we'll reel it in a little bit. Alright, so we're gonna find your type here, and then we'll move forward from there. Here?
No.
Oh, okay. Oh.
No.
See?
Oh, I like that one.
That's a fridge. So let's get more specific. What kind of girl would you be attracted to? What really gets you going?
Well, I like a bigger girl.
That's fine, yeah.
Kind of boxy looking. Some may say rectangular. I like a girl who's cold, even colder on the bottom.
Enough with the f***ing fridge, Jack.
Why can't you just let me hit me happy?
It's a fridge. It's not even a person.
What are you talking about?
Give me a f***ing break. I'm done with this man.
You're done with I'm done with this
This is not my fridge.
And that's why I think we're just meant for each other.
He's so right. How do I not get that? I didn't have a movie about this yet. So I got a letter from Jack. He's getting engaged. Her name's Amana. It's the fridge.